Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows Update replaced your AMD graphics driver. Right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapter, right-click AMD Display Adapter, click Properties. Click Driver tab. Click Rollback Driver. Check for another reason, type any reason. Second method is open any browser. Type AMD graphics driver. Select your Graphics series. Select Windows, click Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.